In search of the ideal oscillating tool for your do-it-yourself projects, take the Fein Multimaster, a tough and adaptable tool that can easily cut, sand, and scrape, which has a strong motor, variable speed control, and compatibility with a variety of accessories, is another excellent choice. A tool-free accessory replacement and a small design. Remember the well-known Rockwell Sonicrafter F32 with its secure accessory changes and universal fit mechanism. Greetings from Best Review Zone. Today I'm going to present you the top 10 best oscillating tools available on Amazon. Product links are included in the description below. Let's get to the video now. Number 10. Dremel Multimax Oscillating Tool. The Dremel Multimax M50 boasts 5.0 amps of power, enabling it to tackle even the most challenging tasks with ease. Its more compact front and uniquely angled body provide enhanced ergonomics, particularly for flush cutting. The innovative tool-less design allows for quick, easy, and secure accessory changes, eliminating the need for a wrench and streamlining the process. With an extra-wide 3.2-degree oscillation angle, the tool delivers fast and precise cuts, while the variable speed of 10,000 to 21,000 OPM allows for optimal performance and control with various materials. Additionally, the included soft bag is a great value and provides a convenient storage solution for the tool and accessories. Number 9. Porter Cable Oscillating Tool. The Porter Cable Oscillating Tool is a versatile and powerful tool that can handle a variety of applications, such as cutting, sanding, grinding, and scraping. With a 3.0 amp motor and a variable speed dial, this tool provides excellent control and performance. The tool-free accessory change system allows for quick and easy changes, while the 10-foot cord provides ample reach for working in tight spaces. The ergonomic design with a soft grip handle ensures comfortable and prolonged use, while the included depth and cutting guides provide added precision and accuracy. Overall, the Porter Cable Oscillating Tool is a reliable and durable tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 8. Avid Power Oscillating Tool. The Avid Power Oscillation Angle is designed to make your work more efficient, offering 4 to 5 times greater efficiency when cutting wood and 2 to 3 times greater efficiency when cutting metal tubes compared to a normal oscillating tool. The locking lever allows for quick and easy changes of blades and attachments without the need for a wrench, saving you time and effort. With 6 speed settings, you can choose the appropriate output speed for your project. This versatile tool comes with a range of accessories, enabling you to complete various household projects, such as cutting, scraping, sanding, cleaning, polishing, and more. The auxiliary handle provides convenient and stable operation for users, while the universal fit system matches most brands of blades or other accessories. Number 7. Milwaukee Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Milwaukee Cordless Multi-Tool Combo Kit includes the M18 Cordless Multi-Tool, one M18 Compact RED-LITHIUM battery, and one multi-voltage charger. The M18 Cordless Multi-Tool cuts up to 50% faster and delivers up to 2x more cuts per charge than its competitors, with a speed range of 11,000 to 18,000 OPM. It offers best-in-class speed and performance with an all-metal gear case, providing versatility and durability to tackle even the toughest job site applications. The tool 2626-20 features RED-LITHIUM battery technology for superior pack construction, electronics, and performance, delivering more work per charge and over pack life than any battery on the market. Number 6. Fein Heavy-Duty Oscillating Tool. The Fein tool is the perfect multifunctional tool for any job, and it's available in 2 mount types to suit your needs. Whether you prefer the Starlock or Fein Supercut 12-sided mount, you can find the perfect accessory to fit your Fein tool. The MM350 offers minimal vibration and outstanding noise dampening, allowing you to work comfortably on any home improvement project. Thanks to Fein's Quicken tool change, you can switch accessories in under 3 seconds with a patented, tool-free Fein rapid clamping system. The Fein 350W motor is overload protected and high performance, with a high proportion of copper for faster cutting speeds and rapid work progress. As a globally active company with German roots, Fein is renowned for its innovative and high-quality power tools and accessories, designed to handle the toughest jobs in the industry and deliver ultimate performance. Number 5. Dewalt Lightweight Oscillating Tool. Look no further than the 20V Max Cordless Kit for the ultimate oscillating tool experience. This kit comes complete with one brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool, a universal accessory adapter, and 2 wood cutting blades to help you jumpstart your project. The DCS 356 Dewalt Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that offers up to 57% more runtime compared to a similar brush tool. The 3-speed selector allows users to choose their desired speeds, setting based on the application. With the Quick Change accessory system, you can switch blades quickly and easily, and the universal accessory adapter makes it compatible with most oscillating tool accessories. The dual grip variable speed trigger provides ultimate speed and application control, and the bright LED light illuminates dark workspaces for maximum visibility. Number 4. BOSCH Starlock Plus Oscillating Tool. The GOP 18V28 and BOSCH Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool is packed with features to take your projects to the next level. It features the Starlock Plus 3D Tool Accessory Interface, which offers the best grip and superior torque transfer. This multi-tool offers unmatched versatility, capable of handling flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, and various other tasks. With the use of all Starlock and Starlock Plus accessories, it has a dynamic accessory range. Despite being cordless, the GOP 18V28N boasts corded-like performance, matching the power and speed of the corded BOSCH GOP 4030 Starlock Plus oscillating tool. Thanks to the EC brushless 18V motor technology, it delivers up to 30% more power and better efficiency than previous generation 18V motors, providing increased runtime and exceptional motor life in an ultra-compact design. The variable speed dial enables you to adjust the oscillations per minute from 8,000 to 20,000, ensuring maximum precision for any task at hand. Number 3. Rockwell Oscillating Multi-Tool. Introducing the Rockwell RK 5132 K 3.5 amp Sonocrafter F30 Oscillating Multi-Tool, complete with variable speed, hyperlock clamping, vapor-free technology, and universal fit system, and a 32-piece kit with carry bag. This multi-tool is the perfect choice for those seeking a versatile oscillating tool that can easily navigate confined spaces. With its universal fit system, users can utilize the 32 accessories that come with the tool and virtually any oscillating accessory available on the market. The oscillation angle is set at 4 degrees to ensure optimal cutting and control. The constant speed control feature allows users to customize different speeds for each specific task. Moreover, the large storage bag can comfortably accommodate all accessories and more. Number 2. Dewalt Atomic Oscillating Tool. The DCS 354 Dewalt Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool is equipped with a 20V Max * brushless motor, 2 wood cutting blades, and a universal accessory adapter to help jumpstart your project. This tool boasts a powerful brushless motor that delivers up to 57% longer runtime than a comparable brush tool. The Quick Change accessory system allows for quick and easy blade changes, And the universal accessory adapter ensures compatibility with most oscillating tool accessories. The dual grip variable speed trigger affords you ultimate speed and application control, while the bright LED light illuminates dimly lit workspaces. Please note that the battery charger and tool guide system are sold separately. Number 1. Dewalt Corded Oscillating Tool. The DWE 315K Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit boasts a robust 3-amp motor with a dual grip variable speed trigger, enabling you to adjust the speed to match your application. With 29 commonly used cutting and sanding attachments included in the kit, you can accomplish a wide range of projects. The Quick Change accessory system facilitates quick and easy blade replacement, and the universal accessory adapter ensures compatibility with most oscillating tool accessories. Additionally, the Dewalt Oscillating Tool Guide system allows you to customize the depth or height for precise and consistent results, while the bright LED light illuminates dimly lit workspaces. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe us to get the latest best products on Amazon right now.